How to enable interactive widgets in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable and use interactive widgets in iOS 18.1. These widgets are a game changer, making your iPhone even more functional and fun. So let's get started. Go to Settings, scroll down and navigate to General, tap on Software Update. Ensure you've updated to iOS 18.1 to access the Interactive Widgets feature. Go to the home screen, where you want to place the widget. Long press on an empty area of the home screen until the apps and widgets start jiggling. Tap the Edit button in the top left corner to access the widget library. Choose an interactive widget. Scroll through the widget options to find widgets with interactive features like reminders, music, or notes. Select the widget size. Pick your desired widget size, small, medium, or large, depending on your layout preference. Tap Add Widget to place it on your screen. Drag it to your preferred position, then tap Empty Space to save changes. Customize the widget settings. Long press the widget and tap Edit Widget. Adjust its settings, like selecting a specific list for reminders or a folder for notes. Explore other interactive widgets. Repeat the steps to add more widgets and discover how each one enhances your productivity. And there you have it. With interactive widgets in iOS 18.1, managing your tasks, music, and notes is easier than ever. Try them out and let me know your favorite one in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS tips. See you in the next video.